how to add funds to Direct Express card. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add funds to your Direct Express card. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to add funds to your Direct Express card, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Understand that the Direct Express card is designed solely for receiving government benefits such as Social Security or disability payments. Step 2. Know that you cannot add any funds from other sources to your Direct Express card, including direct deposit, checks, or cash. Step 3. The only funds you can receive on your Direct Express card are government benefits and refunds for purchases made with the card. Step 4. Be aware that Direct Express does not allow other forms of payment like paychecks or other deposits. So that's how you can add funds to your Direct Express card. That's all for this video.